Stop choosing length over health. To me, at the end of the day, it does not make sense to have long, damaged hair versus short, beautiful hair. Hey guys, welcome back to the Center of Curls. My name is Taslim, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about curly hair 101. Basically, the curly hair basics that you need to know when transitioning or just even maintaining your natural curly hair. These basic natural curly hair tips or rules, yes, there is rules, applies to anybody. So you could be a man, you could be a woman, you could be a teenager, or even if you have children with natural curly hair like myself. If you follow all these natural curly hair tips or rules that I'm about to share with you, you will see tremendous results. And if you sit tight and watch this video, at the very end, I am sharing my 2 tips on how you can save money on hair products and how you can grow your natural curly hair faster, or just to speed up the process. So make sure you watch this video at the very end because there's some golden tips. So if you're still interested in this video, let's get into it. So tip number 1, cut off the damaged end. Yes, to me, I think this is the most important step you can ever do to your natural curly hair, especially when you're transitioning. You need to cut off those damaged ends. First of all, it's not cute walking around like that. In that picture, I honestly look like I did not love myself. But a matter of fact, I did love myself. I thought I looked cute, but man, that hair? No, you cannot be walking around. It's 2020, ladies. Let's change this up. Let's cut off our damaged hair. If you're in the transitioning stage and you have some straight pieces that do not curl anymore, you need to cut it off. Yes, I know you want to keep the length of your hair. We've all been there. All the naturals, we've all been there, but you just gotta take a step. To me, at the end of the day, it does not make sense to have long, damaged hair versus short, beautiful hair. Stop choosing length over health. It's okay to start over, and cutting off damaged ends, it will help your hair grow faster and it will look so much better. So tip number 2, if you have natural curly hair, do not wash your hair every day. Don't do that. You should only be washing your hair once a week or every 2 weeks, and you should also be shampooing once or twice a month for a deep cleansing. But for the rest of the wash days, you should only be doing a co-wash or just using a gentle, like a very gentle moisturizing shampoo. So shampooing your hair very often is not good for your hair at all, because some shampoos can dry out your hair and will definitely strip away all of your natural oils from your scalp. So make sure you do not do that. And before you buy any product, make sure all of the products are paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free. What was the other one? Silicone free. So make sure all of your products do not have those 4 ingredients. Tip number 3, after you come out of the shower, after washing all of your hair, do not dry your hair with a regular towel. All you're going to do is create frizz to your hair before you even start styling it. So do not do that. Instead, use a regular cotton t-shirt to dry your hair, or you can invest into a microfiber towel. It works really good. I got myself one of these. I got them from Amazon. They come in a pack of 3 for like $15. So they're not bad. So you get 3 of these. Very cheap and works so well. I'll put the link in the description down below. So tip number 4, deep condition your hair. Now it depends on your hair needs, but you need to deep condition once or twice a week. Deep conditioner is totally different from a regular conditioner, so let's not get confused, okay? So a deep conditioner, you leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes maximum, and then you rinse it out. Usually some people leave it on for longer, or some people do it an overnight, but I was watching Bianca Renee today. If you do know her, she's a natural hair guru, but she said in one of her videos, she said that leaving on deep conditioner for more than 30 minutes, it's literally not doing anything. It's just sitting on your hair. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes maximum for your hair to soak up all the nutrients it needs for your hair to be healthy. And there's 2 types of deep conditioners that you should include in your routine. And one of them is the moisture deep conditioner. That is what restores your moisture, the shine in your hair, the bounce, and all of that good stuff. And then there's also the protein deep conditioner treatment. Protein treatment is good for your hair when you have a lot of damage or breakage and you need to build back the strength of your hair. So with a protein treatment, it is not recommended to do it every way, as you can get protein overload and your hair might get protein sensitive. So it is best to alternate between the two deep conditioners. So you could do the moisture deep conditioner once or twice a week depending on your hair preferences, and you can do the protein treatment once or twice a month, and that is how you balance it out. Tip number 5, moisturize your hair daily. Well, at least try to do it every single day, but moisturizing your hair daily can prevent breakage due to dryness. So this is how I moisturize my hair. It could be any day hair, it doesn't matter. So once I have a section like this, I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle, and inside I just have water and a leave-in. That is it. Once I get that, I spray. I get my hair to be damp, not drippy wet, but just, you know, put enough water to make it a little wet. Then I go in with my Cantu Daily Oil Moisturizer and I apply that. If I see that my curls are not popping, I could just go in with a curl activator just to revive my curls, you know. So I do that all over my head and boom, you're good to go. You do not need to wash your hair all over again just to revive your curls. All you have to do is just get some water with leave-in, whatever styler is preferable for you. It could be a gel, whatever, it doesn't matter. That is how you moisturize your hair every day. So tip number 6, protect your hair at night. I'm serious. Now, I am guilty of not protecting my hair in the night. Sometimes my kids play with my hair bonnet and they lose it, and by the time it's time for me to go to bed, I don't care enough to look for it. Furthermore, I'm not a fan of bonnet or a scarf wrapped around my head or just anything wrapped around my head in general. I do not like it. First of all, it makes me really hot. Like, I start sweating in the middle of the night. It ends up slipping off anyway, so I'm really like not protecting my hair like that. So what I did, I went on Amazon and purchased 2 satin pillowcases for like $15. So what I do now is just put my hair in a pineapple style. If you don't know what a pineapple style, I'm going to demonstrate it right now. So all you do is just bring all your hair to the front like this, right, like that, and you get a hair scrunch. Either this one, this is a satin hair scrunch, or you could just use a regular one like the black one here, but I usually use the satin one. So you do that, and you do not do that because you want it to be loose, right? Put it in one time and you're done. Yeah, and this is how I go to bed. That way my hair is not sweating in the middle of the night, and my curls won't create any friction like it would if I was sleeping on a cotton pillowcase. And you're also preventing frizz the next morning. So when the next morning comes, my curls are protected at the very top, and all I have to do is this. And you're done. And then I proceed with my moisturizing routine, and that is how I protect my hair in the night. If you have short hair, use a satin pillowcase. So last but not least, tip number 7, avoid heat at all costs. And if you can't, at least try to limit it. You do not want to get heat damage and have to deal with the recovery process. That will take longer than anticipated. If you're going to use heat, at least make sure you deep condition first, and always use a heat protectant. Something goes with blow drying. Always use from medium to cool settings. And if you do not have self-discipline like I was, I suggest you throw away all of your hair styling tools, or at least give them away. That way when you get an urge to like straighten your hair or blow dry it or put any type of heat, you don't have a blow dryer or a straightener laying around. That is what I had to do, you guys. And if I wanted to straighten my hair, I always go to a professional, and I would only straighten my hair once a year. And that was only if I was going to like a special occasion that was very worthy of me going to go fry my hair. So in the last 7 years I've been a natural, I've straightened my hair like 3 to 4 times maximum. And lastly, I want to leave you with this very important tip, and that is to enjoy the process of your natural curly hair journey. Don't compare yourself with anybody. Your hair is beautiful in its own way, and everyone's journey is quite unique. So don't compare with who and what. Just focus on your hair and try out different products and find out what your hair likes and does not like. And now for the golden tip that I mentioned earlier. If you're on a budget like me, and you want to save some coins on your hair products, there is subscriptions that you guys can sign up with. So you can pay like $20 a month and you get like 4 to 5 different hair products every month. without breaking the bank. I think it's very worth it. There's so many subscriptions that you can go with. I currently know Callbox, Calibox, Treasure Trace Box, also Calls with Confidence. That is Canadian based, but this subscription is not open at the moment. But when it does open up, I'm really looking forward to go ahead and try out their product. So the downsides of these subscriptions, some of them are not Canadian based, so you will get charged more. So make sure you do your research first before you get any surprises in your bank account. Another tip that I want to leave you with, if you want to speed up your hair journey process, do this every day. So go on the edge of your bed, tilt your head upside down, and literally do this. Put your neck on the edge of the bed and just massage your hair every 5 to 10 minutes every single day with castor oil. Basically what it does is just stimulate the blood flow on your scalp. I saw a tremendous result that actually made my hair grow faster in my early stages of transitioning. Another thing you could do is to try the infinity pills. Those infinity pills, I swear by them. I swear by them. They work. Probably grew like 1 to 2 inches, sometimes 3 inches a month. Surprisingly, they all work. Castor oil, massages, biotin, and infinity pills. Those 4, they helped my hair grow faster. So if you want, you could try it out. Anyway, if you made it this far, I hope these tips can help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting. Make sure you like this video if you found it helpful. Make sure you comment and also share the video. Please subscribe, as this helps my video to get picked up by the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @Don'tScentOfCurls, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!